Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, first aid kit, navigation system, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.